come along to the headquarters of Ihelios, an innovative developer and manufacturer of environmentally conscious smart heating and integrated property control systems. They've transformed what was a tired old building into this, their vibrant new head office, visitor centre, a training academy, and also 6 modern apartments to showcase the Ihelios smart living technology. They've also installed a 12.8 kilowatt solar PV system on the roof, which provides most of their electricity. Even the security camera has its own solar panel. And each of these apartments has achieved an A-rated energy performance certificate, which for an electric heating system is truly remarkable. So let's go inside and see how it's done.